Class 9 Biology, Chapter number 9, Part number 2. Question number 1. What is biochemistry? Answer. Biochemistry is the branch of science that deals with the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. Question number 2. What are biomolecules? Answer. Biomolecules are organic molecules that are essential for life, including carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Question number 3. What are carbohydrates? Answer. Carbohydrates are organic compounds made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, primarily used as a source of energy. Question number 4. What are monosaccharides? Answer. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates, consisting of a simple sugar unit like glucose, fructose, and galactose. Question number 5. What is glucose? Answer. Glucose is a simple sugar and a primarily energy source of cells, having the molecular formula C6H12O6. Question number 6. What are disaccharides? Answer. Disaccharides are carbohydrates composed of two monosaccharides units, such as source and lactose. Question number 7. What are polysaccharides? Answer. Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides units. Examples include starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Question number 8. What are lipids? Answer. Lipids are a group of biomolecules that include fats, oils, and waxes, primarily used for energy storage. The main function of lipids in living organisms. Answer. Lipids serve as a long-term energy storage source and are a component of cell membranes. Question number 10. What are proteins? Answer. Proteins are complex molecules made up of amino acids and are essential for various biological functions like enzymes, activity, and tissue repair. Question number 11. What are amino acids? Answer. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, with 20 different types occurring naturally in living organisms. Question number 12. What is the structure of a protein? Answer. Proteins have 4 levels of structure: primary amino acid sequence, secondary alpha helices or beta sheets, tertiary 3D folding, and quaternary multiple polypeptides. Number 13. What are enzymes? Answer. Enzymes are proteins that act as biological catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions in cells without being consumed. Question number 14. What is the function of nucleic acids? Answer. Nucleic acids such as DNA and RNA store and transmit genetic information in living organisms. Question number 15. What is DNA? Answer. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions for the development and function of living organisms. Question number 16. What is RNA? Answer. RNA, ribonucleic acid, is a nucleic acid involved in protein synthesis and the transmission of genetic information. Question number 17. What is the difference between DNA and RNA? Answer. DNA is double stranded and stores genetic information, while RNA is single stranded and plays a role protein synthesis. Question number 18. What are vitamins? Answer. Vitamins are organic compounds required in small amounts of normal growth and metabolism. Question number 19. What is the role of water in biochemical reactions? Answer. Water is a solvent that facilitates biochemical reactions, helps transport nutrients, and regulates body temperature. Question number 20. What are cofactors? Answer. Cofactors are non-protein substances that assist enzymes in catalyzing reactions. Question number 21. What are macromolecules? Answer. Macromolecules are large complex molecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, and polysaccharides essential for life. Question number 22. What is metabolism? Answer. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within a living organisms to maintain life. Question number 23. What are anabolic reactions? Answer. Anabolic reactions are biochemical processes that build larger molecules from smaller ones, such as protein synthesis. Question number 24. What are catabolic reactions? Answer. Catabolic reactions are biochemical processes that break down larger molecules into smaller ones, releasing energy. Question number 25. What are coenzymes? Answer. Coenzymes are organic molecules that bind to enzymes and help them function, such as NAD plus and FAD in cellular respiration. Question number 26. What is the glycolysis? Answer. Glycolysis is the process of breaking down glucose into pyruvate, protecting ATP and NADH and the absence of oxygen. Question number 27. What is the Krebs cycle? Answer. The Krebs cycle is a series of chemical reactions that generate energy through the oxidation of acetyl CoA in the mitochondria. Question number 28. What is the oxidative phosphorylation? Answer. Oxidative phosphorylation is the process by which ATP is produced in the mitochondria using energy from the electron transport chain. Number 29. What is photosynthesis? Answer. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy, producing glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Question number 30. What is the role of ATP in cells? Answer. Adenosine triphosphate as the energy currency of the cell, providing energy for various cellular processes.